Urban areas are expanding, thoroughfares are congested, and the duration spent traveling is gaining value. Engineers and scientists across the globe are looking for answers that will transform conventional means of transport. Modern vehicles are already incorporating eco-friendly technologies, intelligent management systems, and innovative materials. However, in the near future, we might not have to rely on roads. Advancements in flying cars are accelerating. What more does the future of transportation offer? And how close is this to reality? Let us discover. This air taxi of the future transforms urban mobility by enabling it to hover above traffic and arrive at its destination in a fraction of the time. Due to the hybrid electric system, it merges power with eco-friendliness, and its roomy cabin accommodates 4 passengers and a pilot. The aircraft attains a respectable speed, covering a distance of up to 140 kilometers within just 1 hour. The Lazzardini Stratosphere is a modern capsule that can travel on water as well as in the air. It has a spherical carbon body with a diameter of 1 meter 60 centimeters and is designed for 2 passengers. In water mode, the capsules utilize a hydrofoil for stabilization and can achieve speeds of up to 55 kilometers/, powered by 250 horsepower electric engines. When in air mode, the Stratosphere becomes an eVTOL equipped with 8 propellers and able to reach speeds of 250 kilometers. Access to the capsule can be gained via a glass panel or a hatch at the top. Although this remains a concept, the company is looking for investors to realize the project. The future has already arrived. Massive mechs operated by an individual within are now a reality, not just a sci-fi concept. This robot has a pilot positioned at its center, who fully controls the movement of its enormous mechanical legs and is prepared for any task. This machine has already earned recognition, winning $1 million prize in a bowling contest, and could become the foundation for a new level of mobility. The Atrina all-terrain vehicle is designed for the harshest conditions, from snowy expanses to marshy roads. A powerful engine, reinforced suspension, and sturdy construction allow it to easily overcome any obstacles. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates passengers and necessary equipment, making it ideal for long expeditions. Its fully domestic production highlights its reliability and independence, allowing it to succeed where others get stuck. The Jetman Dubai project, created by Swiss pilot Yves Rossi, has become a real breakthrough in the field of personal jet flights. The compact wing, made of carbon fiber and fiberglass, weighs about 55 kilograms and is equipped with 4 jet engines. This powerful setup allows it to reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers/8 with flight durations ranging from 6 to 13 minutes depending on conditions. Control is done by tilting the body and adjusting the engine power with a compact throttle lever. For safety, a parachute is provided, guaranteeing a safe landing in emergencies. The monoville is an unusual transport that defies the usual laws of balance and physics. The rider is located inside a large rotating hoop which moves forward using an engine with a pedal drive. Stability is ensured by the gyroscopic effect, which helps the wheel maintain its balance during motion. Some models can accelerate over 100 kilometers per hour, but controlling such transport remains a challenging task. Maneuverability and braking are severely limited. The helicopter Velocity is a true flying taxi. This compact 2-seat vehicle lifts off like a helicopter, but runs on electricity, so it flies almost silently. 18 powerful engines allow it to reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers/8 and cover distances up to 65 kilometers, which is quite enough for quick city travel. Engineers created it with an eye on the future, where air taxis will become a common way to avoid traffic jams and reach destinations faster than on the ground. This electric city car Vision EQ is designed for comfortable and eco-friendly travel in the metropolis. It has no steering wheel or pedals, and its control is fully automated. Transparent doors, a digital front panel, and a compact futuristic design make it ideal for car sharing and urban travel. This electric air taxi is designed for a pilot and 4 passengers, reaching speeds of up to 200 km. Its main advantage is silence during flight, making travel not only fast, but also comfortable. Such transport promises to change the future of urban mobility, turning air travel into an everyday reality. BMW is taking a step into the future with a new conceptual design that combines technology and aesthetics. Angular forms, panoramic roofs, and massive headlights turn this car into a true work of art on wheels. Instead of mirrors, there are cameras providing a 360 degrees view with all information displaying on a panoramic screen under the windshield, accessible to both the driver and passengers. The cabin no longer has traditional stocks. All control is concentrated on buttons on the steering wheel and a touchscreen. The system's brain is 10 times more powerful, while the battery charges 30% faster and provides more range. BMW is preparing the style for all future models. BMW has decided to go beyond the automotive world by presenting the world with the IoT. Its 13 meters hull is inspired by Japanese origami, and 2 electric motors powered by the BMW i3 battery propel the vessel to speeds of up to 55 km. Thanks to hydrofoil technology, the yacht rises above the water, reducing resistance and energy consumption. The elegant design and advanced technology turn traveling on it into a truly futuristic experience. ULG Alpha Babel is a concept car of the future. Presented at one of the festivals, it is not intended for mass production, but to demonstrate how advanced technologies can change the driving experience. The car's interior easily transforms with seats that can rotate and turn, turning it into a cozy lounge space, especially in autonomous mode. This jetpack is one of the most successful projects in its category and is as close as possible to real-world use. Its gasoline engine allows it to reach speeds of up to 100 km, ascend to a height of 2 kilometers, and remain airborne for about 30 minutes. However, such technology remains an elite luxury, as its price reaches $250,000. Lift Aircraft has developed a personal flying vehicle that can be operated by even an untrained individual. Their flagship project, the Hexet, is a compact electric drone with 18 rotors that doesn't require a pilot's license. It is controlled by voice commands and, in case of failure, automatically makes a soft landing. An integrated parachute further enhances safety, making the flight as secure as possible. Yes, this is a real flying car. The Tetra Mk5 can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers, covering up to 160 kilometers on a single charge. Its compact size allows it to be used even in restricted urban areas, while its multi-rotor design provides excellent maneuverability. The future where cars do not touch the earth no longer seems so far away. Volkswagen has introduced the concept of a flying car that moves above the road using magnetic levitation. Control is done with a joystick, and the transport does not emit harmful substances into the atmosphere. While this is just an ambitious idea for now, in the future it will undoubtedly become a reality. The famous 4-legged robot animal has received a major update. Now it has wheels, expanding its capabilities. It can not only walk but also glide smoothly over flat surfaces. And when it encounters stairs, it automatically switches to walking mode, locking the wheels. The robot can both ascend and descend steps, adapting to challenging conditions. Another impressive feature is its balance on the rear wheels, allowing it to pick up and carry parcels. The system is equipped with numerous sensors that minimize the likelihood of errors during movement. Jetpack Aviation has unveiled an innovative jetpack, the JB-10. This compact personal flight apparatus is powered by 2 custom-engineered turbojet engines, each generating. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the next big innovation. Thanks for watching.